the start of a new job. The boys have started this job yesterday. I was in Mexico at this point, but these guys, we get them a set of plans and they execute, right? So let's go check out the progress. So right here, they're going to be putting in the French drains. We use solid pipe. They got everything based already. This is going to have a lot of curves. It's going to look great. And right here, we're going to be doing a seating wall that goes out like this. Paver walkway out to the driveway. It's going to look good. Right, Tito?
Yes, sir.
What's going on, guys? Happy Friday. It's our third day here at Ronald's job site, and it was snowing right now before I got here. Let's go check out and see the progress of the beautiful job that we're doing here. As we're coming in, we got everything based up. We got all the base going down right here. And now we're putting the sand, screeding it. It's gonna be a good job. So right now, they're making sure that it's going to match with the line this way and the soldier core is going out that way to the front. That's what we're doing right now. So now let's go check out the progress we've made. We've made really good progress. I'm super happy with the progress. We had one of the guys get sick, and now one of my other guys is not feeling too good either, so he went home. Some type of flu is going around or something, but hope everybody is okay and they're gonna make it out. So as you guys can see, we got the walkway in. Keep in mind, this here is going to have a circle kit right there. And right here, we got the walkway in, trash can landing. Zeke with his coffee. Another walkway connected to the front. Looking pretty good. What's going on, guys? It's Monday morning. We are doing all the cuts here at Ron's house and pretty excited about it. Good morning. Let's go check out what the boys have been doing. We got Master Chapo back. We got the soldier course going down. Getting all the cuts done pretty much. Detailed work. We love when our clients get us some drinks. It really shows appreciation of the guys' work, you know, so that makes us happy. Right now, Big Ange is gonna go pick up some plants that we picked up on Saturday, but I didn't have a trailer, so now he's gonna go pick them up all the way to Carson City. It's a really big tree.
Good morning everybody.
So he's on his way out. We are here at Ron's and Amy's project. We just got done unloading some of the plant material. We're excavating for the irrigation. We now have completed the pavers. We're waiting on the lights, but the circle kit is in. GoPro's recording. We got the paver walkway. the trash can landing. Gate opens and closes perfectly. And the paver walkway. Looks so good. We're pulling up to Ron's job site. We're planting plants today. It's a great day. It's beautiful weather. We started a new job. I'm super excited. High energy right now. Everything's going our way. So let's go ahead and check out the progress. We have officially completed this project, and let me tell you guys, I gotta say, it turned out amazing. Let's go show you guys exactly what we did, because I'm super excited about it. So as you guys can see here, we did a paver walkway. We still need to install the lights, but check this out. The rock, the plants, everything turned out so good. It looks amazing here. We're going to be adding the lights. What can I say? These guys killed it with this job. Let's unbox these FX luminaire lights. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow, these are nice. So the plan here is to have 3 here, 1 spotlight over there, another spotlight over there, and one of these path lights, like right here. But what do you guys think? So the boys are cleaning up the street now. We have officially wrapped up Ron's and Amy's job site. We got our sign. Let's go and check it out and show you guys the final result. As we're coming in, we got the paved walkway. As we're walking in, we got the circle kit. Looks absolutely beautiful. We got this nice little seating wall. These lights that are going to just pop and look absolutely amazing. We got another circle kit right here. Another light. Absolutely beautiful.